Sinabihan na kita na iligpit mo ang laruan mo pagkatapos mo maglaro. What's your answer?
I told you to fix your toy after playing.
Again? I told you.
I told you to fix your toy after playing.
I told you to fix your toys after playing. Fix, iligpit. Right? But fix is, in Tagalog, gawin. Diba? So, this is the usual way Filipinos will say this statement. I already told you to keep your toys after playing. Diba? Iligpit, keep. So, usually, Filipino moms or Filipino dads will say, I already told you to keep your toys after playing. This is a little wrong. It's not very natural English. So, native speakers will usually say, I've already told you to put your toys away. Yes. Put your toys away after you play. Ito yung iligpit mo ang laruan mo, put your toys away. Or, put your toys in the box. Okay? I've already told you to put your toys in the box after you play. Okay?
Clean up.
Clean up. Clean up is okay. Linisin. Clean up is linisin. But it's better to say, put away. Okay, put away. Put away your toys. Kasi if you say, clean up, automatic, linisin. Diba? Linisin mo yan. Okay?